Okay, so quick little note here on printing from Google Sheets. So my interest is in making a PDF of this list of rows. So if I just go File, Print, where's that? File, Print here at the bottom. That can work. That can be fine. But what I usually do is select the exact range of cells that I want and then go File, Print from there, or Control P. And then I go Selected Cells. And you can see that at the top it has that twice. I think what we need to do is just get rid of the locks there, and then select, and then go Control P, and then Selected Cells, and that gets rid of that. And now it's all just on one nice little page. And then we'll go Next, pop up Save as PDF. And then I'll just put today's date. And then that's ready to go. And that'll show up in my downloads folder, I think. Where's that? Here. As a PDF, and then that's really easy to print. So that's how I would do it if I were printing as a PDF. The other way is just to print it to a printer. So same deal, select the cells that you want, Control P. Instead of current sheet, just go Selected Cells, Next, and instead of printing to PDF, I can choose my HP printer. And I've got some other settings here. Let's just go default on the scale, and that'll work just fine. Or we can do our OfficeJet printer is another way, and it should have a similar view. And that's that.